As you can see, and I'm going to be doing this in front of you. This is one of those acrylic appliques, but you can find a number of things, but it's best, I mean, you can find a bead, but I think it's best if it has a flat back. So if you have a bead that's rounded and raised it in the front and then flat in the back, that makes them sit easy. Now these are little pearl beads. They came on a strand with these beads, and so I just took everything apart, and these I used, you're going to need a tweezer. Toothpicks, a tweezer, two toothpicks, a tweezer, some paper towels because the glue, and the E6000 glue doesn't smell or anything. And if you get it on your fingers, it comes right off. All right, so I'm going to put this aside because it's drying. Now, what I did was I wanted to do these pieces, and you're going to want to do one and then have the other next to you, so you affix everything just like you did there if you're going to put a centerpiece. These are easy because they have these little round things. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my E6000 glue. Sometimes you get like a film on it, so make sure you have a paper towel and you get that. It kind of acts like a cap. Squeeze a little bit, just a little, don't go crazy, and get a little on your toothpick. You do not need a lot, trust me. And then hold it down and just put a dab, and then go to the next one. It's not going to dry immediately, so you can put a little glue in each of these, and you might have to use a second toothpick to make it come off. Now, don't worry if you get it on a spot, you can wipe it off. And you're going to need like another clean toothpick, and you want to make sure that the holes of the beads are on the side and not up top, otherwise you're just going to be looking at the hole. And then you can take the tip of your finger and press down, and you can kind of move it, and then when you're happy with the placement, just push down a little. And the reason why I like these 6000 glues, it gives me time to play with it. It doesn't like you sit it down and it dries immediately like a glue gun or any other type of glue. I don't, you know. So again, you want to make sure that the holes for the bead are on the side. And sometimes you're going to need like a little nudge, and because this is very tiny and intricate, so now I'm going to press down a little. And like I said, you don't want to put so much glue that it oozes off the side. And then we're going to go and we're taking our applique, the acrylic one. Now, line it up because you want to make sure you're putting it exactly where you put the other one, okay? So now this takes a little doing. You're going to go like that. You're going to get your toothpick full of E6000 glue. And sometimes it's better if you just use your fingers. Too much. So remember, if you put too much, just wipe it off. Now you kind of want to drop it and then take your tweezers and position it. Make sure they're straight and then push down. And again, once you push down, make sure they're straight again, and then push down again. Try not to move it too much, but you have time to make sure they're straight. Okay, now look next to each other. Does that look like it can move a little? Is it straight? Is it sitting exactly like the one next to it? So, I'll get these out of the way. So this is what it looks like. Ta-da! Okay, and I'm not going to bother hooking up my earring fish hooks because I don't have the proper color. I'm going to pick them up tomorrow. Okay, so these are the earrings, and I finished them. Now, originally I was going to go with the purplish red teardrop beads, but today I just came back from Hobby Lobby and I picked up more of these appliques. Now, they don't have the shapes like my other one did, but they are round. I'm going to move this light. But they're round and they have more colors. They have small, medium, and large. And I wanted more variety of color because my other one has different shapes and colors, but I used most of the reds from it. And this gives me more reds, which I will be making more in the future. So what I decided on was I had these green beads and I really wanted to make something with them because I think they really look nice. I removed the acrylic white shiny diamond looking one and I removed the purplish red teardrop bead, and that's that. And picked up brass. I also picked up brass earring hooks and brass jump rings. So now it's a little more uniform. The earrings, they're going to dry now because I also had to glue them with some E6000 jewelry glue, which I just picked up another large tube, so I was very happy to do so. So these are the earrings, and you'll probably see me wearing them in future videos, but I just wanted to show you this. I was into the green and red because of the holidays, so I figured why not? I've done red ones, now how about green? And I will be making more, so please remember to click the bell for future notifications so you know when I upload my new videos with more of these creations using filigree. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.